Okay, good morning. Another fresh arrival. 2020 Honda CR-V EXL. Oh, the blue color. This thing looks good in the sun. I just ran it through the car wash so you can see it here. Blue on the outside, black on the inside. It's got leather interior. This is an EXL. It's got the nice alloy wheels. This one's got newer tires. This car was traded in last night by a local customer. She upgraded to a Honda Pilot. This car was bought here brand new. It's been serviced here, very well maintained, taken care of. This EXL model comes with lots of good features: leather, power seat, nice infotainment system. It's got a power moonroof, lots of different features, lots of good stuff. The CR-V is tried and tested. It's been around since 1997. These things are very popular. Half of the new cars that we sell are CR-Vs. Every pre-owned CR-V that we get, just flies off the lot. Come check this one out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth. Again, it's a 2020 CR-V EXL all-wheel drive, 132,000 miles, one owner. We're gonna put it through the shop, check it out. 182-point inspection. We check it out from front to back, side to side, top to bottom. Brakes, fluids, filters, tires, you name it. We make sure it's up to specification. We back it with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. On this one, it'd be the powertrain, so the engine, transmission, drive axles, all the major stuff on the vehicle is guaranteed for 3 months or 3,000 miles. We give it 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations. We call it 2 years worth of maintenance. 2 keys, all the books, Carfax report, all the history on it. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.